Hey guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Nespresso Frother blinking red. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be having problems with your frother here and you're looking for a way to fix the blinking red light here. Now, how do we fix it? So there's a few reasons why you're having this issue. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to check the whisk. So make sure that the whisk is actually in place, so it's inside. Now, if you want frothed milk, leave the coil inside or coil in the milk. For steam milk, remove the coil. Now, if the whisk is missing or broken, you'll need a replacement. Now, another thing that you need to consider here is if your device is actually overheating. Now, if you've used the frother back to back, it may have overheated. Just let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes to speed up cooling. Rinse the jug with cold water to avoid wetting, or in this case, also avoid wetting the base itself. Now, another thing that you could do here to fix this problem is to clean the jug. If there's like milk residue inside the jug, it can cause the red lights to blink. Clean the jug and whisk thoroughly after each use. Now, in this case for Erosino 3, wash by hand, or for Erosino 4, it's a dishwasher safe, so you can use your dishwasher. Now, another thing that you need to consider here is you want to check the milk level. Now, make sure you're filling the milk to the correct line here. So, with the coil, fill to the bottom line here. Now, without the coil, fill to the bottom or top line. Cold whole milk or versatile non-dairy milks works best here. And finally, you might want to clean the connections. Now, make sure the jug is probably seated on the base and that the connections are actually properly cleaned, or the connectors are cleaned. If there's crusted milk, clean it with a damp cloth or a toothbrush. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.